बट कहीं ना कहीं जो मीरा का किरदार है वो इतने दिलों को छुआ है, क्योंकि कुछ ही वक्त बट आपने जिस तरीके से फैंस का प्यार कमाया, द वे फैंस ने आपको पसंद किया, उस कहते हैं ना मैडम सर में हमने हमेशा देखा है कि कुछ कैरेक्टर से जो फैंस को काफ़ी, बट आपके आते ही द वे उस किरदार ने लोगों को हंसाया है। क्या कहना चाहोगे, आपको ऐसा लगा था कि ये इतना प्यार मुझे ऐसे आएगा?
When I auditioned for it, I did it in a very cliched way, because when you get like a robot audition, then you do it as a robot, right? When I got selected for it, so everybody was brainstorming at that time कि अच्छा करना क्या है कैरेक्टर के साथ. I said, अरे मुझे बताओ आप क्या करना है, how would I know? So there were several references, Dr. Spock and ये सारी चीज़ें, कई सारी references थी, and they were very clear that we don't want it to sound robotic. It has to be very, very human. You know, that's the whole idea of introducing an artificial intelligence cop that can look like a normal person, speak like a normal person. Then eventually maybe that is the future, you know, that artificial intelligence takes over. The real policemen lose their jobs because they have superhuman strength and stuff. So but how to do it, even till my promo shoot, I had no idea. It's like, okay, let's just let it flow, because obviously there was no robotic tone that was supposed to be used. I wasn't supposed to blink. Those things were clear. My movement had to be free yet robotic. So it was just like a blur between two and no clear cut. So if you know it's robotic, then you're doing this like that. But it was not that. It had to be smooth yet look robotic at the same time. So I was like, until and unless I do it, I don't think I'm going to know. But the fact that that character was written so nicely, our director on set, I mean, the kind of things that he added, you know, that wink in the end or whatever, how the AI is learning, I think it made it really... I mean, I would laugh after doing certain nonsensical things on set, and we would all laugh, like Gulki, Yukti, and everybody there. We would all just laugh. I was like, what did I just do? So, yeah, with the director's help, with the creatives' help, with obviously the producer's help, you know, and and ultimately, obviously, you bring a little bit of yourself to the character. So it was a great character that way. I mean, and it stuck with the audiences, and the little antics of that character, they stuck with the audiences, and what could be a better thing than that, you know?
Because so, मेरी दी आपको इतना देखते थे जब आपका वो एग्जिट हुआ, my दी was like, Arzu, why? क्यों? मतलब वो कैरेक्टर आपका इतना ज़्यादा पसंद आया, इतना ज़्यादा. और आई थिंक जब वो सेट की बात है, ऐसे वाया ऐसी बात हुई थी कि शो बंद नहीं हो रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ गुल की शो बंद हुआ है. इट्स ट्रू?
I don't know if I should comment on that. I don't think यार कि it's because of one actor कि एक show बंद हो सकता है. I mean, there are so many factors. I mean, Gulki would agree that she loves this show. So who wouldn't love that show? That show's given you so much. So ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. I mean, अगर कोई personal issue हुआ भी तो it would have been something major कि एक इंसान नहीं continue कर पा रहा है या ऐसा है. But I'm not sure कि ऐसा था. There were multiple factors, you know. And so many times ऐसा भी था कि she would get a break या जैसे भी, but I don't think she would have herself wanted not to be a part of the show. There would have been something that was difficult that couldn't be resolved या कुछ होगा. I mean, I don't know that for sure. Like, but yeah, certain to say that उसकी वजह से show बंद हुआ है ऐसा, I don't think that's the truth. हाँ.
But अगर आया तो क्या आप जाना वो फिर से वो किरदार निभाना पसंद करोगे?
Why not? I love that character. People loved it. I would love to play it again. Yeah.